Hey, kids! Today we're going to learn about 10 amazing animals that all start with the letter H. Get ready to meet some cool creatures from all over the world. Let's dive in. First up, we have the horse. Horses are fast runners and love to gallop across open spaces. Did you know that people have been riding horses for thousands of years? Nay! Next is the hamster. These tiny, fluffy animals are great pets and love to run on their wheels. Look at that little face! Isn't it adorable? Soaring high in the sky, here comes the hawk. Hawks have super sharp eyesight that helps them spot their prey from far away. They are amazing hunters. Look at this spiky little guy. It's a hedgehog. When they feel scared, they roll up into a ball to protect themselves with their spines. Cute but tough. Splash! Say hello to the hippopotamus. These big animals love to spend time in water, and even though they look slow, they can run really fast. Next, we have the heron. This tall, graceful bird loves to stand still and wait for fish to swim by. When the moment's right, it quickly strikes. Look at that huge beak. This is a hornbill. Hornbills live in tropical forests and use their big beaks to catch food. They look pretty cool, don't they? Here's one of the smallest birds in the world, the hummingbird. These little guys can flap their wings super fast and love sipping nectar from flowers. Zip, zip. Next up, the hyena. Known for their loud laughs, hyenas are smart hunters that work together in groups. But don't be fooled, they can be fierce. Last but definitely not least is the mighty harpy eagle. This powerful bird has huge talons and is one of the largest eagles in the world. What a majestic creature! Wow, that was awesome! We just learned about 10 animals that start with the letter H. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an adventure with us. See you next time!